Kinene Ukiringithania na dola. Gavana wa Bengi CBK kamau Thugge ari mbere ya kamiti ya Mbunge ya Kigina kia Muigi Augite ati Kimbiriria Kinene kia Mbeca cia Kenya Guikuruka Ucungagiririo ni Bururi wa Amerika.
Riri bururi wa Kenya uthiete na mbere na kugumirwo ni kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire. Riu kamiti ya Kigina kia Muigi yugite undu ukoretwo gicungiririo na njira nene ni urashiriki bururi wa Kenya ikoretwo Gikuruka Ukiringithania na dola. Ukinyeneria na riu shilingi dola ya bururi wa Amerika iraima shilingi 150 hari mbeca cia bururi wa Kenya.
We are family people, we are Kenyans and we want to do some planning. Is it not a fair question? And I said, what happens if this is exaggeration? Then what is normal?
Gavana wa Kinene guku bururi-ini Kamau Thugge agikinya mbere ya kamiti no ugitete Kimbiriria kia mbeca cia bururi gukorwo cikiongerereka ni kuona mwaka wa 2022 mbeca ya Kenya yakinyitie nginya gicunje kia 25 no ithiete na mbere na guikuruka nginya gicunje kia 5 undu uria uthiete na mbere na guikuruka undu uria ungimakia bururi wa Kenya kuona mbeca ino iraikuruka na gikiro kinene.
Point I had mentioned about issuing a dollar-denominated bond. I think on the dollar-denominated bond, what we are trying to see, the whole idea was whether we can get additional dollars into the economy, not dollars to move from the to the central bank, but actually an increase in dollars from abroad to Kenya. And so that's still an area that we are trying to look at, because we've seen some other countries where they are able to actually identify.
Ugite ati Kenya no ikore handu horu hari uthii wa na mbere angikorwo gutigwikirwo mitaratara iria gukorwo ikiteithiriria mbeca ya Kenya itige guikuruka ringi. Kuona mabururi maria mariganitie na Kenya mbeca ciao ni irongerereka no bururi wa Kenya no guikuruka iraikuruka. Ukiringithania mabururi ma Afrika Irathiro, bururi wa Uganda niguo tongoretie hari mabururi maria mari na mbeca njega ukiringithania na dola ya bururi wa Amerika. Kuria gukinyaniria na riu bururi wa Uganda ikinyitie gicunje kia 2.4, Tanzania ni gicunje gia 4.76, bururi wa Kenya ni kuruta 2.93, bururi wa Rwanda ni kuruta 3.8. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Ng'endo wa Njogu.
Members, we have